Way, no? Look at it.
So I'm pretty sure you guys must have known. Yeah. Okay, then I've decided. Whole night, whole day yesterday. So we are here finally. Daddy, back down. Help, mommy!
Got my egg.
Papasin की quality जानी आने लिखूं
Saturday here.
Wait, mommy, I have another pair of these, right?
The blue one.
Blue one.
Packing for tomorrow's journey. And it's a secret. We're not gonna reveal now. Maybe.
This is the hint.
Yeah, we are going to pack everything and tomorrow we are going to decide what we are going to put on. So she's going to take this one. Yeah. Fold all in one.
Let's see.
These two matching. Wash. These two matching and then keep it like this. Then I matching it. Then I underwear this one. Already I took out 3 sets. 2 white and 1 black.
Oh, by the way, comment down below what you got, where you think we're going.
It is Sunday here and starting from tomorrow my husband is having annual leave for another until Sunday and my children are already on annual leave. You guys will come to know where we are going. It's a top secret. Anyhow, you guys will come to know from my, like thumbnail or so. The whole day yesterday we have been researching on where to go and my children, I give the options and my children decides where to go. Oh, camera came downstairs just to show my outfits and choose outfit because upstairs everywhere is clothes. Even downstairs has also become messy because I'm getting rid of all the clothes. I have 8 big plastics to get rid. I don't know. Should I go with this or these are my hats. I have decided to give this away and yesterday this was left on top and I thought maybe my daughter, it can fit on her. So let's see if it fits on her. She can use for a day today and then give away or be it in a charity. So another. Because it's a heat wave here nowadays. It's summer, that's why. So I'm pretty sure you guys must have known the way I dress. So or there's another dress. 2 white here. This one I bought when I reached England and this one you guys won't believe when I bought this. When I first got a job, this was my first dress I bought and I've never put on once also see, but I don't know why I did not give away or throw away. So yes, most of the clothes I give away, I throw or I sell if I want to, if people buy. But this one, but some clothes, you get so close to it, you don't want to let it go. This is the one missing. So I think you want to do. So let's try that one. 15 years, how I wonder how it will fit on me. Oh, looks comfy. Loose. I should go with this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, then I've decided to put this on. Let's choose 2 undies for my daughter. One for now and one for later. It's for my boy. So let's choose this unique one. I'll let him put this on and I just woke them up. They are getting ready upstairs. My husband is as usual playing chess. That's the reason why I don't like to go with him. Always with the phone. So I'll take this one and some fruits, snacks, no makeup. in the corner, change this one. Our favorite place is this lounge, because I don't want to go to their room. My son chase me, and not to my husband, our room, my room. My husband is always screaming while playing chess. Snacks here. Let's see which one matches you. Oh, which one do you want? Which one makes you comfortable?
Any.
Okay. Upstairs and living. We need a towel here. 지금 zudu 주다. Beautiful tomedy. 난 심이 퍼베데니. This suits on you, babu. Yalla, tashra. See you guys now. We'll have breakfast, I guess. Nimchi, ninga, these children, they don't sleep on time, they don't get up on time. Then when they get up, they stay like a zombie. So I prefer my children to be in the school. No. The whole night, whole day yesterday was so exhausted, angry because of my own temper, my own anger. I got unwell today.
This one. Careful.
밥도 되게 먹어 맞죠?
This is your mommy.
Family bucket.
Wait. Yalla, what a dumb. Miss,
Yeah, I'm fine. The KFC wasn't even here. We had to go.
Yeah, I
The
know.
toilet was here.
Yeah.
Not the KFC. Allah.
KFC is like very expensive and not tasty, I would say. Salty.
Salty
It's almost 48 pounds. With this 48 pounds, if you buy, you know, like, you will get 9 packets of good pork. Then you can make curry, you can fry, then you can eat with the kimchi. Then you can eat with the noodles, you know.
Is this Gaza?
Oh, Gaza.
Beach, no, you can't swim. Bay, you can swim.
You can swim, so do this different style.
Beach, you can also swim.
We swim in Brighton Beach. Yeah, but
No, but you're not meant to.
yeah.
But you can.
But let's see. And it says you have to see with the anime, depend on the weather. Finally, we are here at Botany Bay. Come. Lock time.
Oh yeah, it's hot. I'm not going in the water.
Guard patrolled area. We are here finally. Visita venta. Ani do di interested. Yala kite di Jason de.
What?
Kite di khasalap chimina de kite ba bishu se.
Everyone's swimming there.
Ah, dangerous ho chikush.
Yeah.
I won't recommend you.
Where?
Look at the color. This one down there.
I think we just buy and buy and insert the.
How much to get?
No, we're not allowed.
We're not allowed.
We're not allowed. We're only allowed between
No,
doors.
we can go and see that place.
See, Benita. Oh,
Let's swim. I want to swim.
danger in me. Amata. Amor.
To this side.
Cheki besu.
No, we
Swim,
can only
Besharu,
swim in
no.
the red and flags.
Swim besharu danger is singa de dobe. Finally here, but it looks so scary. Oh my gosh. Daddy, back down ta rugi tu baju me danger. Help, mommy! Taggle! Taggle! When you don't know how to swim, you need to be extra careful. One wave can, like wash you, and then you will land up in the middle of the sea, and very risky. Unless you can swim, you can take a risk, I would say. Careful, baby. Apa ki? Apa dino bui khome lo apa? Naya khome halam shidi bui. Yala, unlike Durdle Door and unlike Brighton, it's not clean even.
MG made this hard, boy.
Yo, nigga, I gave you love, but you gave me nothing. Why choose to make this stuff so boring? Why? You don't wanna be like this forever. That's why I need myself a lover. Stop acting like you don't care. Your friends told me that you love me. Yo, hey, nigga.
Me with my son. Where is your sister? Up there. Mote aslushma. Ah. To there. Yeah, up top. Ah. One.
Kui koni mine basi ko.
That's cool, man.
Kui kodi ngani. Mata zijo me bade. Kam zi jo yalu. Balance pao me bade.
Kui cool, man. Danger mata is careful, bego. Don't go further, okay? 깜짝 놀랐어.
You know there's 10,000 billion flies in everywhere we touch.
Bye.
Little flies, yeah, I see them. They're running through the sand.
Pa satum dumi.
Basking in the sun, yala. Put a salt in it, kana.
Salt ga.
Salty.
Salt yo mate. Sigi me.
Mote asada na. Swimsuit keren na. Exercise na.
Oh, it's coming this way, no? Look at it. Waves are coming closer.
Don't even dare to go ani. Atiche jumsu ro.
Danger to bade.
Danger to what used to me was. Me to goggles ko ba. Swimming chap swimming mata ulam.
So the one.
Hat. Perfect na ba Oh gosh, man. This makes me jump. Why they making this? What can be the reason? Alu ka duta ko ay mito. Tay ka kati duga. Alu.
No.
May alu duga singa cha alu.
Kasi no.
I don't know. Yala, sunscreen dugo te.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen the dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby do me right.
Se mata jari.
Ha? Mata jani.
Male honge. What is to get it? Posa sa food video me de.
Come.
Kasi me baga ito.
Nahi.
Trying to take myself in.
Dr. Sanam, you don't want to swim? Yalla, kade mote.
아일랜드 하울이 ദിവ서 job 못 없애라
This is to go bate. When will I know the result? Kidaba kira me bate.
정말 이메일 지당이가 있다는 거.
Ah.
이메일 지당이 있어 말이.
When will I know, please? Say, Temush, don't mind. Say, if I don't get, I'm planning to look for another one. Say, because I have families, they are children, and I have to look for their schools. Guys, the wave's becoming stronger.
아니 지바고데 짐 말레 슈나레 베야타.
Kate bajo.
티카데.
Kuch bhi nahi.
시멘트가 맥게.
Ani gym diya. Is this the gym you took?
It's the same like this. We will get like
Then you take it where? To build a house?
house की बेरो 같이 बेरोते 시멘트 का बनी.
Kalu ke unte chim din ma chave.
काली दिस जोदरु.
Kali oh tap ya.
Daddy, can we go to the water park?
No time.
Why?
We are going back now. We're heading back.
बीच दियोते आवना आफाताश.
Kala. मैं टाउन नरे में था फिर बीच ना में है
बीच में मानी में.
मैं ngachi जो तरह बीच ना किफु ना रात में से किवित में पकड़ गए तो चुकी same place now. We stopped here. We'll drink some water and then again head back to home. By the time we reach, it will be 7 to 8 o'clock in the night. My kids in the Costa. Guys, my channel go with you with children, and daddy is there busy gambling. Gamble baby did me. My channel go with me.
Dummy.
That's what children do everywhere. Stop. Daddy said he's tired, so we need to stop in the service. And I said we are not hungry, but he refused. So the moment we got in,
Hey, why did you say we're
he
not
went
hungry?
in the. Through some clothes and threw it in.
내가 찍다 보는데.
But she was saying that I was not hungry.
Just for fun.
Yeah, beautiful place. Yeah. Mentally, I need to shut up with the any bag.
Wait, I'm gonna share with him.
Yeah, I'll pass it the weight.
Well, you will leave they leave them. You want to eat today all of it.
Oh yeah, most of them. But make sure you don't fight over this thing. Anyway, you
Mine. I'll share. Share.
sharing is loving. Don't fight.
Yeah.
Trash goes all in one naman. Anna suda trash. Daddy can eat the chicken.
That's for all of us.
Ah, bunu şimdi. Yeah, means. Spaghetti da nam sasa. Means.
Never bite.
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy, food.
Exit the car park.
We have 1 hour.
Hani öyle işte. Traffic na.
No, frappuccino, coffee, no.
There is how many lanes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes, and all 5 lanes are anime. Like blocked traffic. Yes,
You look so pretty.
I am pretty. Hello from the other side. Hello from the told you 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry. The moment I reached here, I had a shower, gave my 2 kids a shower, then I'm making a dinner, collected holy water, then I put all my laundry in. Almost 6 to 7 talks I'm doing, and it's not easy, very tiring. Not necessarily tiring, also. And I'm making good mood. I didn't feel like talking. I was grumbling, I was murmuring, I was angry. And then on the way, I did not talk with anyone. My children were scared of me. Then all the way, once we reached there, then my mood was okay. I tried my best to, not to get angry, because it's very unhealthy. And the more you get angry, it hampers your health. You get headache, you get palpitation, you get stress, and it's you who get falling sick. So I tried my best to, not to get angry. Then all the way came back. The moment I reached, everyone is taking rest upstairs. It's just me stuck in the kitchen cooking. I've done showering. Tomorrow again I have a journey for almost 5 hours journey by a drive.